Nothing ruins a peaceful garden faster than wasps, hornets, or yellow jackets setting up camp nearby. One moment you're pruning tomatoes, the next you're running for cover, and while most people panic and reach for toxic sprays, the truth is, those poisons do more harm than good. They kill pollinators, contaminate your soil, and often don't even stop the problem long term. Today, I'm showing you the safest, most effective way to permanently remove wasps and hornets from your yard, without harming your plants, pets, or pollinators. This is a method that not only works fast but keeps them from ever returning. Let's get right into it. First, understand your enemy, and why sprays fail. Most wasps and hornets don't just fly in from nowhere. They're drawn to food, sugar, and safe nesting spots, usually under eaves, inside garden sheds, or beneath mulch piles. The problem is, chemical sprays only kill what they touch. The nest's queen, the real brain of the colony, usually survives underground or deep inside the structure, so unless you destroy the queen and remove her pheromone trail, they'll rebuild in the same spot within weeks. That's why you need a complete strategy, not just a spray. Step 1. Identify and track their flight path. Before you take any action, spend a few minutes watching their activity. Note where they're entering and exiting. You'll often find nests in 3 main spots, in wall cavities or under roof edges, underground holes. Yellow jackets love these. Or hidden inside hollow garden features or compost bins. Mark the area, but don't disturb it yet. Swatting or poking at a nest only makes them aggressive. Observation first, always. Step 2. Mix a natural control solution that really works. Here's the safest mix I've used for years. It's completely natural and honestly, surprisingly powerful. In a spray bottle, just combine 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, 2 teaspoons of dish soap, and a few drops of peppermint or clove essential oil. Shake well. The vinegar and soap coat and suffocate insects on contact, while the essential oils act as natural repellents. Wasps and hornets absolutely hate strong mint and clove scents. It disrupts their pheromone communication and drives them away. You'll use this both to neutralize small nests and, well, to keep new ones from forming. Step 3 is to apply the treatment safely. Timing really matters here. The best time to apply any wasp control is either early in the morning or late in the evening, when the colony is least active and most of the workers have returned to the nest. Make sure you wear long sleeves and, try to stay calm. Sudden movements can actually trigger their defense mode. Spray directly at the nest opening from a safe distance, making sure to soak it thoroughly. Don't knock it down just yet. The goal is to suffocate the insects inside first. Wait until the next day, then carefully remove the nest and seal it in a trash bag. If you spot an underground nest, go ahead and pour the same vinegar soap mixture into the hole at dusk, then cover it up with a large rock or board overnight. Step 4 is to eliminate attraction sources. Wasps and hornets are natural scavengers. If you remove their food, they'll usually move on. So keep these checks in your routine. Secure your compost bins and make sure to cover any scraps. Try to keep pet food indoors, and clean up any fallen fruit or sugary residue around your garden. Oh, and don't forget to close recycling bins tightly. Sticky soda cans are basically a magnet for these pests. For extra protection, hang fake wasp nests in problem areas. Wasps are territorial and won't build near another colony's space. Step 5. Long-term prevention using natural repellents. Once the area is clear, prevention is key. Mix a new batch of the vinegar peppermint solution and lightly spray under eaves, deck corners, and shed roofs once a week during summer. You can also soak cotton balls in peppermint oil and place them around entry points. It keeps wasps, ants, and spiders away. Growing repellent herbs like mint, lemongrass, and thyme near seating areas adds an extra natural barrier. and honestly, smells amazing. So, why does this actually work? And, why is it safer? Well, this method targets the colony's behavior, not just the insects themselves. By removing pheromone trails, blocking entrances, and disrupting nesting zones, you're able to end the cycle for good. And, unlike chemical sprays, this approach doesn't harm bees, butterflies, or those other beneficial insects that help keep your garden healthy. It's cost-effective, completely safe for pets and kids, and if you keep up with regular maintenance, wasps just won't return the following season. Final thoughts. Take back your garden naturally. You don't need poisons or professional exterminators to protect your space. With just a simple vinegar soap solution, the right timing, and a bit of prevention, you can keep your yard free of wasps, hornets, and yellow jackets, for good. Remember, the goal isn't to wipe out every insect, it's really to create balance. When you remove the danger without disrupting the ecosystem, you end up building a truly safe and thriving garden. If you found this guide useful, go ahead and subscribe to Botanical Bliss and share it with a friend who's tired of swatting all summer. Let's reclaim our gardens, safely, naturally, and once and for all.